I'm going to save $1 a gallon off my gas. That's right. We're going to start off Friday by saving $1 a gallon. Y'all stay tuned. I'm going to show you how to get done. Y'all just pay attention. Pay attention. Told y'all, $1 a gallon off. Your next 3 fill-ups. You want to know how you get it? It's really easy. All you got to do is download the Chevron app. That's it. Just download the Chevron mobile app, and for your next 3 fill-ups, you will get $1 a gallon off. I am paying $2.39 a gallon today. $2.39 a gallon. Uh-oh. I need that pump to work right. We're talking about rolling back to Donald Trump presidency gas prices, $2.39 a gallon. Yeah, appreciate you, Chevron. So, this past week did not have a good week in the markets. I only lost $100 in my cash account because I started messing with a different type of option play. So I wanted to paper trade it. But here's the thing, right? Number one, you got to know how to pivot. Know your limits, know your strengths, know your weaknesses. Always play to your strengths and work on your weaknesses. I've realized that this particular option contract, at the speed at which it moves, yeah, I wasn't ready. So I probably lost about $3,000 paper trading, but only $100 real cash because I'm smart enough to know, son, I wasn't ready. So the goal for the weekend is $750. That's Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and me taking off time for to watch my Dolphins play the Steelers on Sunday right here at Joe Robbie Stadium. I know they want to call it Hard Rock, but I was there for the beginning. I watched them build it. That's my hood. Anyway, we're going to see how this goes. I'll give you nightly recaps. And everybody be safe, be smart, and let's get this money. Ain't that right, Eddie? $5 ebook. Let's get this money. All right, so far tonight, not bad, not bad. First 6 hours, I'm at $180. It's pretty good. The thing is, though, man, it was one Uber ride for $83.90, and then I think 8 Lyft rides for $98. But all those Lyft rides were really, really short rides that had bonuses attached, so they were like in and out. I was in like this 8-mile square area. And I don't think I've done, I'll add it up, but I don't think I've done more than maybe 15 miles for that $100. Crazy, right? Anyway, I'm at the Florida Panthers game. I'm going to try to get one more ride out of here tonight, maybe 2, depending on how short the first one is. And then we're going to wrap it up for the night. So I'll see you in a few minutes. So, yeah, hell with it. I'm going to do it anyway. Listen, I've noticed at certain arenas, Uber and Lyft drivers will take their tablets or their phones and write on them, driver available. Now, I ain't trying to blow nobody's hustle. I'm really not. And it doesn't affect whether you're going to get a request or not. But do these guys know that if the cops wanted to come down and bust their balls, they could? Because technically, that's hailing a ride on the street. I don't know if I'd be doing that. We all got friends and family and we do what we got to do. But to go up to a venue? Bruh, I don't know. I guess if it works for them, if it works for them, what are you going to do? So my night's over. Had a puker out of the hockey game. 5 college kids going up to FAU. They weren't drunk. Nobody was drunk. But whatever that one guy ate, and I don't know what the hell it was, but it couldn't have been good. Gave him an upset stomach. We couldn't pull over quick enough, and it flew. All up down there. That's why I ain't got on no shirt. Shit hit my shirt. Anyway, I pulled over, got the pictures, got it on video. Again, Vantrue N2 whatever. I'll link it up here, description below. Get you a goddamn dash cam. Anyway, you need your pictures if you're going to submit it to either Uber or Lyft. Unless you can, you know, work something out with the riders, which I did. I worked something out with them. I lost my vape mod. That I'm going to have to replace. But worse than all of that, I mean, we got about 95% of it cleaned up. The other 5% I'm gonna have to take in the morning, get it professionally cleaned. It's just the way it is. Probably gonna cost me 150 bucks. That's par for the course. So that's gonna happen in rideshare. Although that's only the second time in 7 years it's happened to me. You run that risk. Like I said, the guy wasn't even drunk. It's like, what do you do? Anyway, all right. So we ended the night. 250 on the app, 170 on Lyft, 83 on Uber. Yeah. Anyway, see y'all tomorrow. All right, so it's the next morning, and let's see how bad this shit smells. So, obviously, we still have remnants all over the place, but no stench, and we're gonna go get this shit cleaned up. Let's go. All right, so I don't know, what is it, about 11 o'clock now. I got everything all cleaned up. You know, if you have a puker in your car, dude, the first thing you got to do, bro, I'm not even lying, is pull that bitch over and start cleaning that shit then. And you better have stuff in your car to help clean it. Rubber gloves, no rubber gloves, whatever it is, but you better have towels, interior cleaner, alcohol wipes, because you don't want to get sick. You don't know what these issues are. Like I said, these kids, they weren't drunk. Dude just had some bad food, and in that case you can't even get mad at it. So anyway, I'm going to show you some of the products I used, and then I'll show you what the results were. So I'm a big Meguire guy, and my best friend last night was the interior detailer cleaner. Like, I cannot express enough how much that stuff cleaned up. Plus I went through an entire thing of Clorox wipes. Got to have Clorox wipes, and I got to get more. The leather detailer. This is a cleaner and a detailer, and I'll leave links below. I normally don't do links, but I'm going to do links on this one because people need to know. You guys already know about my portable vacuum. I use the Shark Ultra Cyclone and a brush, and then this, right? These little brushes here. Look, you get a pack at AutoZone or whatever, but I'm going to link it up down below. That piece right there, that little point, will save your ass in so much shit. And then, you know, you got to make sure your vacuum's got the extensions. You get in them hard to reach places. Terry towels are good for cleaning. Not necessarily good for detailing, but they're good for cleaning. So anyway, you can see I still got the floor mat back there. It's got to clean up. That's not dirt. That's a sunspot. So the outside, we got it all cleaned up. Everything looks good here. And then on the inside, where everything was in the door, man. That's just lint up in there. I just got to roll the window down. But all that now you can see is clean. Door panels, two different things going on. I got leather up here. Don't forget to get in there and get all that crap out. I got hard plastic down here. We got in there and cleaned all that out. The seats were lit up. All down along here was lit up. Now you can see, though, it's all nice and clean. Back of the seat, everything's cleaned, and we're ready to go. So yeah, it sucked. Yeah, I did the work. I quoted out the price. It was $350, and with all the products and everything I got here, I probably got $100 into it. But here's the good thing, right? By having the products on hand, you don't really have to worry about it because you can use the products over and over and over again. So if you do get one of those riders where you know, they're good people. It's just unfortunate situation, and you don't want to take them through Lyft and Uber, because you know Lyft and Uber is going to make you freaking jump through hoops. You got to get the car clean. You can't work again until the car is clean. You know, sometimes it's just better to man up or woman up and do it yourself. One last product I want to show you. This is the absolute best glass cleaner I've ever seen. And you buy them in bulk on Amazon. Link down below. Listen, get you some paper towel. This glass cleaner, bro, you cannot go wrong. I'm telling you, if you don't like it, I'll give you what you paid for it. All right, so I'm gonna go in here. I'm gonna cut this video up, end it. Like I said, we did 250 last night. The riders already took care of me on what they needed to take care of me on, so I could clean my truck. And yeah, we were having a good night last night, man. It wasn't even 11:30, but shit happens. All right, I'll let you up on Monday with what happens the rest of today. And tomorrow, you see Kitty back there? That's Kitty. That's Kitty. It's the original OG. And yeah, we'll talk to you later.